It's a strawberry cheesecake. And this one is Hopia. Hello, just in for tonight. We have here 3 variants ng Hopia. This is from Poland. We have coffee fudge Hopia, strawberry cheesecake, and the chocolate fudge Hopia. Unahin natin ang my favorite fudge, coffee fudge Hopia. Ang dami nila. Ang sarap. So, ito siya. Maliliit lang siya. Parang mini. Yes. Oops. Ta-da! Let's see if it tastes coffee. Bango. Yung feeling na oh. There's coffee flavored inside. Sarap. Oh my gosh, lasang kape. Gusto niya. Next, try natin yung chocolate fudge Hopia. Ganda ng packaging. Very cute lang. Gabi na. Kumakain pa ako ng ganito. Ang cute lang nila. Ang cute. Chocolate inside. Tamis. Okay. Okay na ako dito. And the last one, we have the strawberry cheesecake. Wow, strawberry cheesecake. Tingin ko, parang matamis din ito. Oh. Bango. There's strawberry filling. Sarap. Yeah, masarap. Well, based on my taste test, makikita nyo naman kung ano yung bet ko, di ba? The strawberry and of course, the coffee. Cute na mga boxes nila, may mga sayings. Bye! Kain pa ulit ako. Bye!